everyone, this is Angie with Stampingwithamore. Welcome to my channel. So today I have a really quick and easy treat box, which is a little gift package. This right here, these can be ornaments. I made them to be ornaments, but you can just use them as little table settings as well. I did them two different ways, so you have an option with this bundle. I'm using the Sending Cheer bundle by Stampin' Up. I am an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. For those of you who are new, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it and share. All those things are really important to my channel, so I thank you in advance for all that. So I am using, like I said, the Sending Cheer. This is the same bundle I used on my Sunday project. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it somewhere in this video. But it was really cute. It's a little mini character box. If you've been around, you know about the character boxes that I've been making. And this is a mini version, and it is a little Christmas mouse. It turned out really cute, I think. So I hope you like the little mini version of it. So what I'm using for these is, this is going to go super quick, y'all. This is the Sending Cheer. This is the little hat, the Santa hat that I used for the little mouse with the little holly that I used on it, the little heart. And yeah, I'm going to use this again, but I'm using the package die. Well, actually it's for the envelope, but I decided to use it as a package. But then I decided I didn't like that bow on it, so I cut out this one right here and I used that for it. So that's how I did this one, but this one I just used ribbon because I like this one better. I don't know, which one do you like better? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, I like this one better with the regular ribbon on it instead of the die cut. But it's really cute. This cuts out all these little images, the little gingerbread, the stocking. This is, like I said, an envelope. It has a little package right here with this bow that goes with it. You can use this bow as well. There's a bunch of little extras in this one. The little toes for the stocking. This is for the Santa hat. There's so much in this one. I love it, and I told you that I'd be using it like crazy. I did get a different glass mat here. I'll link it in the description. I really like this one. I like the black one, but I'm using that for something else. So I switched them out, and I am just going to use this. I may use the black one every once in a while, but this is the one that I'm really going to use, I think, here on this channel. All right, so what you're going to need for this is, because these all cut out as tags, so I just used two of them. So I cut them out already. So I cut out two. I'm using garden green this time because I decided that it might be easier for you to see where I'm scoring and stuff. So you need to cut out two, and that is this die that I just showed you. Let me grab it really quick here, that one right here. And then we are going to mat these. I did cut out the little tag. This tag also comes in this bundle. And I used this tag as well on the little mouse. But for this part, the matting, you are going to need two pieces that are 1 5/8 by 2 3/8. Two pieces that are 7/8 by 2 1/8. And then one that's 7/8 by 1 3/8. All of this will be in my inspiration sheet. For those of you who are new, I do put an inspiration sheet on my blog every week that I do a project, or every time I do a project. And then this piece is 5 1/2 by 4 3/4. This is going to be the box part. Now you can fit Hershey's Kisses, Skittles. You can fit, I don't know, it's just so many little things in here. Even a little tiny gift would be cute. But these are another one that I think I would hang on my tree, and when someone came over, it would be just a little gift at Christmas time, just a little sweet treat. You can use these as well. Just cut off the little tag part and use it as a favor on your table, scape, or whatever you like to do with yours. It could be a nameplate. You can put their names on it. There's so much you can do with it. All right, let's get the box, this part ready. And on this one here, I rounded the corners, but I like it better square, like a square box. So I am not going to around the corners. I'm going to mat these two first, then we're going to do our box. I'm just going to use wet glue for this. And I am using the Merry Bright and Beautiful Designer Series paper. You can use every pattern in this. I used it on both these boxes. And all the patterns are so pretty and so cheerful. So you can use that for all your projects or whatever designer series paper you like the best. So we are going to just add those. So we have those ready to go. And then I'm going to go ahead and stamp my sentiment. And I need to grab my little mat here. So I'm going to stamp the For You, which is in this bundle as well. So we're only using the one bundle for this. And this says For You. And that's going to be our little tag. I'll set that one aside. And we are going to go ahead and make the box. So let me scoot this out of the way. I love this mat here because it's so big. It's much bigger than my black one I had. And I figure out how the light does not reflect off of this one. I was having a problem with that. It's focusing, and the black, I guess, just didn't work as well up here. So I'm using it for something else. All right, so this is 5.5, and we're going to score it at 1, 2.5, 3.5, and 5. And then you're going to turn it, and you're going to score it at 1/2, 1.5, and 3 3/4. So that's it for our scoring. Okay, so now we are going to cut this, and to cut it, I'm going to cut this bottom part off first. This is the 1/2 inch side. Not the top. This is the top where there's all these little ones at the top. On the side, you're just going to cut down. So this is just going to make, that's our glue tab right there. Then you're going to cut down here on all of these 3 that are going down here. You're going to cut this end one off here. And then we're going to cut this one in half and this one in half. And these are going to be inside flaps because you know me, I love inside flaps. It makes it a little more professional looking to me, and it also keeps your lid closed better. And then we're going to go to the bottom, and you are going to cut up each one of these 3. And then you can cut away from these little squares right here just to give you a little bit less bulk on the bottom here. So that is what it's going to look like. And we are going to sharpen all the score marks. And we'll put this thing together. That's why I said you can, these would be so cute for a classroom too. If you're a teacher, you can make these for a little Christmas tree that you have for your students and then put their names on the front. That would be so cute. And they had a little treat for your Christmas party. So I'm going to go ahead and we are going to glue that little glue tab, and then this is folding down like that. And then we're going to fold the bottom. And I'm using my Stampin' Seal Plus. I always use a strong adhesive for this. That's our bottom. Then these 2 flaps are the ones that fold in, and then that is our little box right there. So we are going to go ahead, and again, I'm going to use wet glue. We're going to glue these pieces on. Make sure your box is going the right way. This is the top. And they will, if you put the ribbon on it, they are going to have to take the ribbon off or untie the ribbon to get into this. I don't put it on the bottom because the candy falls out, and I don't like it on the side because for the same reason. So that's why I always put it on the top. I've had a few people ask me about that, and I'd rather them undo the ribbon just like you're undoing a package than all the candy and stuff fall out. Believe me, I've done these long enough to know that yes, the candy will fall out. So here's our little package. Now we're going to mat the rest of this. And again, I'm going to use wet glue. All these measurements are going to be in that inspiration sheet. You can print it, download it, and print it. And that's that one, and then we're going to do this one. And then I will show you how I did the ribbon on here. I'm using actually the same ribbon as well as I used on that little mouse box. So we're going to string this through here. And this is a little bit thinner, so it goes through pretty nicely. And then just wrap it around, and I'm going to make it long enough, these tails, so that I can tie a knot on the bottom. You don't even have to tie a knot, but... And oh, we need to put on our little tag before we do that. Let's put our tag on here. If you want, you can even put a little glue dot under there and hold it, but it stayed pretty good for me. And then this one's going to go through here. And then you can just tie it up here, and they can open it. If you tie it, just tie it up here, they can open it, the top, without having to take the ribbon out. So I'll do it that way this time. I did tie a knot in it earlier, and I'll show you that in just a minute, how I did the other one. I just tied a knot down here first, and then I tied this one on. All right, I'm going to just cut this so it looks like a little bow at the top. This will be easier for you if you want to do it this way, and then they don't have to undo that. All right, so then I'm going to grab a glue dot, because when I tied the knot, it actually worked fine, but now it seems like it's moving a little bit. So I'm just going to put a glue dot right under here, place that down here, and then I'm going to make an individual bow. Just tie a bow. And you can make it as big as you like. And then we're going to use another glue dot. And this ribbon, it actually comes in a combo pack. It comes in the real red with the burlap ribbon. That burlap ribbon's beautiful too. I did order 2 of those because I knew I would use a lot of red during Christmas. So then we're going to put that bow right there. But look how cute. Isn't it cute? I hope you like this one. It's really, really quick, easy. Here's the other one. This paper is also from the Merry Bright and Beautiful. And then there's this one right here. So I hope you enjoy these. Even if you don't use it as an ornament, it'd be really cute for a table setting, or just as a little treat for kids' classrooms, anything like that. I don't have my host code up here since I changed my thing, but it's on my blog every single week. It'll be on my blog where you can find the inspiration sheet, and if you place an order, I would appreciate using the hostess code. I hope you all have a blessed day. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.